but they did send me a 70% coupon code. Hey YouTube, this is India. Welcome back to my channel, and I first want to apologize for my absence. I have been gone for a few months. If you guys are new to this channel, or if you guys did not know, I did give birth to a beautiful baby girl back in June, so I have been trying to get used to being a new mom and just get myself on the schedule. I was contacted by this company, Duvolle, back in June to test out one of their products. A little bit about the company. They sell a lot of like beauty products or beauty tools, such as a skin cleansing brush. They sell flat irons, curling irons, things like that. And then they did send me one of their cleansing brushes. It's called the Radiance Skincare System. Radiant Spin Care System. And it kind of resembles like the Clarisonic. It has 4 detachable heads on it. Like I said, I did receive these products back in June, and I feel so horrible because I'm just now making this video or getting this video up, and it is August. But best believe I have been using these products since June. So a little bit about like my skin. I've always had acne since probably like in middle school, and so it's like always been like on and off. So when I was pregnant, I was getting a lot of hormonal acne towards the end of my pregnancy, and like after I gave birth, I still had that hormonal acne and my skin just wasn't the same. So I was using this product after I gave, like directly after I gave birth, and I can definitely see a difference. I use it just about every day. I might skip like a day or two, like I just don't think about it, but I have been using it like faithfully. My baby's crying. Using it since June faithfully, and absolutely love the product. I can definitely see a difference in my skin, and in this next clip you will see how I use the product. Okay, so this is my kind of like nighttime skincare routine. It's not really a skincare routine. I'm pretty much just washing my face. I don't have a like set or intense skincare routine, which I need to get on that. But right now I'm just taking off my makeup with some grapeseed oil, and I really do love using grapeseed oil. Like, it doesn't break me out or anything. And then I actually use a baby wipe to take off the remainder of my makeup. I prefer using baby wipes over makeup wipes. I just think it's more gentle on my skin. So yeah, I'm just using baby wipes to take off the remainder of my makeup. And for my like facial soap, I use Cetaphil or Cetaphil. I've been using Cetaphil for years, and I prefer that over any other like face wash because it's super gentle. I have really sensitive skin, so it doesn't break me out or dry out my skin too much. And so yeah, I'm using the Spin Care, there's a Radiant Spin Care System right now to wash my face, and I'm just like getting off all the makeup and really getting in there and cleansing my face. I believe I used the exfoliating brush this time around, and you guys, it is amazing. I absolutely love this facial brush. It leaves my skin squeaky clean when I'm finished. Now this company did send me a coupon code, so the retail price for the spin brush, let me go on their website, is $95, but they did send me a 70% coupon code, which is 70 complete, and it will be down in the description box, as well as a link to their website. Again, the coupon code is 70 complete, and that gives you 70% off, which will knock the price down from $95 to $28.50. You guys, $28.50. And remember, you get how many? 4 detachable heads. So you have the daily cleansing head, you have the exfoliating head, you have the body brush, and then you have the pumice stone. Now you get all of that for $28.50. And like I said, this product does amazing for your skin. It is amazing for your skin. So make sure you guys check that out. The coupon code is not only good for the skincare system, it is good for anything on their website. So anything that you'll see on their website, you can use the coupon code 70 completes to get 70% off any purchase on their website. So make sure you guys check them out. Thank you for watching this video. I feel like my baby's gonna stop crying any second now, so I'm sorry I had to kind of rush off of here, but thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And like I said, I am trying to get back into it. I'm working on something great for this channel, and I'm bringing it to this, well, I'm working on something great for myself, but I'm bringing it to this channel, so you guys please stay tuned for that. I might touch on it in my next video. I'm gonna try to do like a little makeup routine, like back to school makeup routine or something. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.